Hi there, this is Manohar from Manohars Review Room. In this video, I am going to unbox the Dell KB216 wired keyboard. If you are really interested in, please watch this video. Let me just open this up and show you what else we get inside the box. Here we have another box. Let me open this. Inside the box we have the chiclet keyboard. Keep this aside. And we have the safety guide. Keep this aside. Here we have the scratch card for authenticity code to verify this keyboard is it original or not. This is a code. We have to scratch this and verify in the site given here on the card. Wow, the keyboard looks premium. It's fully made up of plastic. The build quality is good. In terms of weight, it is too lightweight. That is 503 grams. It has got a long wire. It might be 1 meter. In the price around 500 rupees, we are getting the number pad and the functional lock key. Here we can see this is a functional lock key and some of the multimedia keys located here. It is one of the best chiclet keyboard I ever seen. In my typing test, I got around 55 to 60 words per minute. So in my point of view, it's not bad. It can serve the necessaries required for a casual and general user, but not for a hardcore user and a gamer. For hardcore users, I won't suggest this chiclet keyboard. Better go for a mechanical keyboard which serves their requirement. I hope the video was helpful. Hit that subscribe button if you want to see more videos from a room called Manohars Review Room.